Hi, class. Welcome to Vegan 101 taught by Dherbs.com. Please remember to hit the subscribe button for notifications on all future content. How to incorporate more prebiotics into your diet. Gut health is a primary area of study for scientists because many diseases or health problems begin in the gut. To promote a healthier gut, the suggestion is to consume probiotics and probiotic-rich foods. Probiotics are beneficial bacteria that feed the gut, but eating probiotics is just step one. As it turns out, probiotics prefer to eat prebiotics, which work to feed the probiotics in your gut. Incorporating prebiotics into your diet aids in the prevention of harmful bacterial growth in the gut. There are many prebiotic-rich foods, so you have options to choose from based on your taste preferences. Incorporate the following foods into your diet to increase your prebiotic intake. Let's dive into the lesson. Eat underripe bananas. Bananas are known for their potassium content, but they can also contribute to better gastrointestinal health. Underripe bananas are great sources of prebiotics that feed gut bacteria. Underripe bananas have higher prebiotic activity than their ripe counterparts. The resistant starch converts to simple sugars as the banana ripens, so ripe bananas don't have the same prebiotic effects. Replace your meat with beans and legumes. You don't have to give up on meat completely, but replacing your meat with beans or legumes a couple times per week is a great start. Legumes like chickpeas, black beans, and lentils are naturally rich in protein and a type of prebiotic fiber that increases beneficial bacteria in the gut. A 2019 study found that increasing healthy gut bacteria improves blood lipid profile. Eat your onions. Onions are some of the best sources of gut-healthy soluble fiber. They contain a natural source of inulin, a soluble fiber that essentially spring cleans the gut. They also work to feed healthy bacteria in the gut. Enjoy some dark chocolate. Dark chocolate contains an assortment of antioxidant compounds that healthy gut microbes ferment. A 2020 study found that the polyphenols in cacao increase beneficial gut bacteria. The positive shift in gut microbes aided inflammation reduction and helped enhance immune function. Eat more chia seeds and flax seeds. Both chia seeds and flax seeds are nutritionally dense, boasting omega-3s and protein. They also happen to be excellent sources of prebiotics. Eating chia seeds reduces inflammatory markers in people with type 2 diabetes. Flax seeds contain lignans, which are prebiotics that good gut microbes ferment. If you want to enhance the gut-boosting benefits of these seeds, enjoy them with oatmeal, smoothies, or plain Greek yogurt. Incorporate prebiotics into your diet to improve your gut health. That's all for today, students. Tune in next week for another lesson of Vegan 101, powered by Dherbs.com.